Netpeak Spider SEO Tool Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Netpeak Spider are in the description below. Now let's get straight into it. Netpeak Spider is a powerful desktop-based SEO crawler designed for professionals, agencies, and website owners who need in-depth technical SEO audits. It allows users to analyze website structure, detect errors, and optimize pages for better search rankings. Unlike cloud-based SEO tools, Netpeak Spider runs locally on your machine, offering fast, customizable crawling with deep insights into technical and on-page SEO issues. Key features include a comprehensive site audit tool that scans for over 100 SEO issues, including broken links, duplicate content, redirect chains, and missing metadata. It also offers advanced data filtering and segmentation, allowing users to focus on specific errors or opportunities. Netpeak Spider integrates with Google Analytics and Search Console, providing valuable insights into traffic data alongside technical SEO findings. Another standout feature is the PageRank calculator, which helps users analyze internal linking structure to improve website authority distribution. Additionally, the tool supports JavaScript rendering, ensuring that websites built with modern frameworks are properly analyzed. Netpeak Spider is best suited for SEO professionals, digital marketers, and agencies managing multiple websites. It's particularly useful for those working on technical SEO, as it provides deep crawl analysis and customization options that help diagnose and fix complex website issues. Since it's a desktop tool, it's also a great option for those who prefer local processing without relying on cloud-based limits. Strengths of Netpeak Spider include its high-speed crawling, extensive error detection, and advanced data analysis capabilities. The tool provides granular control over crawl settings, making it ideal for large and complex sites. It also has a competitive pricing model compared to enterprise-level SEO crawlers, making it accessible for both small businesses and agencies. However, weaknesses include its desktop-based nature, which requires installation and may not be ideal for those looking for cloud-based collaboration. The interface, while functional, can be overwhelming for beginners due to its extensive customization options. Additionally, while it excels in technical SEO, it lacks built-in keyword research or backlink analysis, meaning users may need other tools for a full SEO workflow. Overall, Netpeak Spider is an excellent choice for professionals who need fast, detailed technical SEO audits. If you're serious about website optimization and want a highly customizable crawler, it's worth checking out. Find the links in the description to explore Netpeak Spider further.